Greetings and Happy New Year. I'm Tom Kozlowski with Lighthouse Wealth Management, and I'm excited to bring to you the first installment of the Lighthouse Monthly Video Update. Each month, we'll look to give you a synopsis of what's happening in the financial markets via a 3 to 4 minute video. We'll supplement this with other videos of various topics ranging from Social Security and retirement to tax and estate planning strategies that we think are timely and of interest to our clients. Please stay tuned at the end of this for a required disclosure statement. With that said, here's your January update. 2015 was one of the toughest environments for investors to make money. The S&P 500 index with dividends eked out a small gain of approximately 1.3%. The aggregate bond index also squeezed out a 0.5% gain. Now, other areas of the market, however, really took it on the chin, with commodities leading the way down to the tune of 28%. The Russell 2000 index, which is a broad measure of smaller company stocks, ended the year down approximately 4.6%. And there are many reasons for the downturn last year. Oil prices losing over 50%, the Federal Reserve starting to raise interest rates, and corporate profits unable to keep up with expectations were some of the main culprits. Now, while most of you are aware of last year's headwinds, we want to address what we see happening now and what we see going into 2016. The first week of this year started off like we ended last year, with both the U.S. and international stocks in a downward trend. It started right after the new year, with China's stock market dropping double digits amidst concerns that their economy was slowing more than previously anticipated. And that spilled over to the U.S., and we started 2016 with the worst first week in 200 plus years, as the S&P 500 was down approximately 6%. Oil also continued its slide in the first week, hitting $32 a barrel. So what do we see going forward? Fortunately, we see more of the same. Volatility has returned to the markets. Since 2008, the markets have been positive. And we all know that markets don't go straight up. The recent pullback has probably been long overdue. And for those of you who are invested in our model portfolios, you may have noticed that in several of them, we sold some investments last year and currently have a higher than normal cash position. And we've been concerned about the markets for some time, and we wanted to take some risk off the table. And while money markets pay little to nothing in interest, sometimes cash is king, and having available funds to be able to reinvest when the risk reward looks better is the most prudent. Now, on a housekeeping note, we're in the process of preparing year-end performance reports, and we anticipate they'll be ready to upload to your electronic vaults sometime in the next few days. For those of you whose taxes are prepared by Lighthouse Tax Services, your annual organizers should be arriving in the mail any day now. We've also set the date for our annual shredding and appraisal event. It will be held on Saturday, May 21st from 11 to 2 o'clock. And again, it's going to be at Vintage Restaurant, just a few blocks down Main Street here from our office in Newmarket. So with that said, I'm going to sign off until next month. Have a great day and a great 2016.